మన సినిమాల్లో ఎవరైనా హీరోయిన్లను చూసి అరే మహారాణిలా ఉన్నారే అనుకుంటాం, కానీ ఈవిడ రియల్ లైఫ్లోనే ఒక ప్రిన్సెస్ అనమాట. కొంచెం భయంగా ఉంది, కానీ మా ఆర్జీలకు ఉండేదే ధైర్యం కాబట్టి దాన్ని నేను బేస్ చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోదాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో హలో ఆదిత్యరావు ఎదురు గారు.
హాయ్. Today though you have to really be scared of me because of my throat. I'm sounding
మీరు చాలా నాకు మధురంగానే వినిపిస్తుంది మీరు మాట్లాడుతుంటే. ఇట్స్ ఫైన్ ఫర్ మీ. సో యా, మీరు అంటే సినిమాల్లో కంటే లైవ్లో ఇంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉన్నారు. ఏం తింటారండి మీరు? అంటే అన్నం తింటారా, అందం తింటారా అన్నట్టు? ఘీ తింటారా? మీరు ఏంటండి, మేము ఘీ తింటే ఎక్కడెక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది, మీరు ఇంత ఫిట్గా ఉంటారు? సో బేసిక్గా ఒక కంప్లైంట్ ఉంది నాకు మీతో. సో 6th సెప్టెంబర్కి అనుకుంటా నేను ఒకసారి మీ మేనేజర్కి ఫోన్ చేశాను మీతో మాట్లాడడానికి ఇంటర్వ్యూ కోసం అని చెప్పేసి. మీరు నాకు దొరకలేదు అప్పుడు. ఎందుకు నన్ను ఇగ్నోర్ చేశారా అని చెప్పి.
They're all there. Complain that side.
మీ టీం తప్పే అంటారు, అంటే మీరు మాట్లాడాలనుకున్న మీ టీం తప్పు అంటారు. ఓకే, దట్స్ గ్రేట్. సో మహాసముద్రం విషయానికి వచ్చేస్తే అసలు హౌ డిడ్ దిస్ హ్యాపెన్? ఎలా వచ్చింది మీ దగ్గర స్క్రిప్ట్? యా, హౌ డిడ్ యూ యాక్సెప్ట్ దట్?
Actually, Ajay sir, during the time that I was shooting Antariksham, Ajay sir got in touch with Supriya, who handles my work here, and Supriya and Shweta handles my work in Bombay, and both of them called me and said that the director of RX100 wants to meet with a new script. So I had seen RX100 and I really liked it. I could not take my eyes off screen, and I knew that after I saw it, I knew that it was made on a very small budget and first time director, and his grasp over emotion and story was really amazing, and the songs are amazing. So I met Ajay sir and he told me the story, and I immediately said yes because one, it's called Mahasamudram and my name is Maha, so it's kind of like Samudram. A title kind of like a title role. That was one exciting thing. So it revolves around the girl and the emotions of what happens in her life. There were two really interesting heroes whose work I really like, so I wanted to work with them. Plus I really wanted to work with Ajay sir because I love his storytelling. I loved that it's a love story. So there were many things that I liked about it, and I have to tell you that Ajay sir, through the process of casting and actually putting the film on floor, he always said that you are my Maha, and whatever happens, I will only make this film with you. So I was so touched at his loyalty and his conviction that I was like, whatever happens, I will always be there. So yeah,
that's wonderful. So మహాసముద్రం అంటే మీ క్యారెక్టర్ పేరే మహా అని చెప్తున్నారు. సో వాట్ కేర్ డిడ్ యూ టేక్? అంటే మొత్తం స్టోరీ మీ మీదే బేస్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సో దట్స్ అ వెరీ హ్యూజ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ టు క్యారీ. సో వాట్ కేర్ డిడ్ యూ టేక్ టు ప్లే ద రోల్?
Honestly, in a film, the responsibility is shared by a lot of amazing people, and on this film we had a fantastic DOP, amazing music, two incredible actors as heroes, and it's a film about friendship also. It's a film about friendship and it's a love story, and I think, but the captain of the ship, that is Ajay Bhupati, I will give him complete credit because he was so clear about how he wants Maha to be, how he wants her to look. He has lived with this story much longer than any of us, and there was so much love that he had for each one of his protagonists, that I always, like, I feel like I'm very inspired by people who have a lot of passion, and Ajay sir has a lot of passion and he has full control and conviction about what he's doing, and that for me was very, like, it made me feel really charged. And whether it was the look of Maha or how she is, or everything in the detail in which he directed me, and I also felt very inspired to work with him. Every single blouse, border, expression, close up, song, how she dances, how she is, everything, like, I think it's complete, like, the love that he has, that was very inspiring for me, and I think for all of us.
That's what we trailer lo clear ga kanipichestundi love anta maaku.
He's so amazing. He's a lovely director to work with.
So you started your career in 2006, I suppose, and
not 6 actually. 6, I did 7, I did my first film, but I actually started my career in 2011.
2011. Okay. So Sharva garu's career goes back to 2004 and Siddharth garu's career goes back to 2002. ముందర మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా కలిసారా? యూ న్యూ దెమ్ బిఫోర్ ఆర్ ఈ సెట్స్లోనే మీరు కలిసి క్లోజ్ అయ్యారు?
I didn't know either of them before. Siddharth, of course, I've met because he's one of Mani Sir's original boys, and he was an AD with Mani Sir and an actor with Mani Sir. So of course, I know him because of that, but I don't know him well. I've seen a lot of his work. Sharva, I didn't know at all. I had seen one film of his, but I know that both of them are very, they have actors with a lot of conviction in both their own ways. So I was excited. I always like to work with actors who work with you as a team, and for whom it doesn't matter whether you're a hero, heroine, like all, it's about working together, because when we all work together only can we make the director's vision come alive. So I really enjoyed working with both of them. They both have a very different kind of energy, but they're both wonderful actors, and I feel like both of them have worked much more than I have. So I got to learn from them, watch them, listen to them, and I think it was a really good atmosphere on set, and I think that helps everybody bring out their best. And again, I will give credit to the captain of the ship, because Ajay Garu always makes sure that everybody is laughing and everybody is happy and everybody is working together. So I think we all enjoyed working together, and I really enjoyed working with my two heroes.
దట్స్ గ్రేట్. అంటే సినిమా ఇంటెన్స్గా ఉన్న సెట్స్ మీద అయితే ఫుల్ ఫన్గా ఉన్నాయి.
Absolutely. We were laughing all the time.
దట్స్ గ్రేట్. సో మూవీ మ్యూజిక్ విషయానికి వస్తే ఇట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ చార్ట్ బస్టర్స్, 3 పాటలు రిలీజ్ అయ్యి అన్ని చార్ట్ బస్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ టైం మీరు విన్నప్పుడు వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ రియాక్షన్?
I love the music. So as a heroine, I always feel like, when directors give the heroine her own song where she can express what she's feeling, that I always feel is very special. And then I know that the director has a lot of care and sensitivity towards the girl's story, towards the girl's feelings. So in this film, I have my Cheppake Cheppake, which is what the girl is feeling and what she expresses through that song, which no dialogue can express. So it's very beautiful writing, very beautiful music, and even Tikkamakkamadale, even that, I remember lip syncing to that song. It's beautifully written, very difficult lip sync, and very fun song. Ramba Ramba, though I'm not in it, but when I heard it, I was just like, what a song. It's so good. So I really like, each song is really different and each song is special, and each song takes the story forward because it's describing what the characters are feeling, and I feel takes the script and the story forward. So I like songs that are put there for a reason, and I love Chetan Bharadwaj's music. I am a big fan of his. I love his melodies and the way he composes. Very good.
So yeah, so technically, as you said, it's 10 years of you in the industry and various industries.
Yeah.
So worked in Hindi,
Yeah.
Malayalam,
Yeah.
Tamil and Telugu.
Yeah.
So what's the one difference that you observed in all the industries, in the work culture or start of the shoot, timings, anything?
Timings and all are practical things, like certain industries start early. I find Telugu, they really spoil you, and they start very comfortably. Lunch breaks are longer. Tamil is usually, at least all the directors I've worked in Tamil, there's a lot of discipline. I've always been the first actor to be on set shooting. Hindi depends on the director. I really feel actually, filmmaking and cinema is not really about the language. It's about the people who make that film and the people who tell that story. They really determine how the unit will work. And I love working in many languages because I feel like India is such a big country and we have so many stories to tell, and I'm very lucky that I get to work in these languages and that people have shown me love. So it's one step at a time for me, and I feel like the love that people show me makes me want to work harder and learn my lines and work with different directors. I really enjoy it. It's about stories. So it's fun. I get to tell different stories. I get to be a part of different people's vision. It's a lot of fun.
సో దట్స్ వండర్ఫుల్. సో ఫైనలీ మా మిర్చి ఆడియన్స్ అందరికీ వాట్ యూ వాంట్ టు సే అబౌట్ మహాసముద్రం, వాట్ మహాసముద్రం మీన్స్ టు యూ ఇన్ యునో యాజ్ అ కంక్లూజన్?
Mahasamudram is it's a story about friendship, about love. It's dramatic, it's emotional. We had a lot of fun shooting it, and I think it's the kind of film that will take you into this world of these characters, and hopefully you'll go home with each one of these people and keep them with you, and I hope that you love it as much as we loved it.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇట్ వాస్ వండర్ఫుల్ టాకింగ్ టు యూ.
Thank you.
ఇంకా చాలా సినిమాలకి ఇలానే కలవాలి, మీరు నాకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇస్తున్నారని
I
కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో
I
మచ్.
am sorry about my sore throat that I'm sounding like
నాకు
this.
చాలా స్వీట్గా అనిపిస్తుంది. దిస్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you.